In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to add crypto to your Telegram wallet. This allows seamless peer-to-peer transactions directly within chats, making payments faster and more accessible. It also provides a decentralized and secure way to manage funds, ensuring greater privacy and control over your assets. To buy some crypto on your Telegram wallet, simply head to Telegram. You want to tap right here on Wallet. Select Add Crypto. Head to P2P Market. Now select Buy. You want to first select your payment method right here. Now choose any coin of your own choice. Enter in the amount and tap on Buy to proceed. This integration is especially valuable for cross-border transactions, enabling low-cost and instant transfers globally while embracing the future of digital finance. Well, that's how easy it is to buy crypto in your Telegram wallet. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.